Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shadi Abdo with the weekly analysis. I'm going to start now with the Bitcoin on the daily time frame. As could be clearly seen here that the pair was trying to go through this level, the strong resistance level 41,200, but it was like a false breakout, as could be clearly seen on the chart. The pair again is trading below this level, so I think it might be heading towards 38, which is this strong support level. So a false breakout is a very bad thing, and it simply means that this level is not going to be our key level for the week. So I think the very next level is going to be 42,200. So by the continuation of trading below this level, the pair might continue going downwards to reach 38 as a first target. Then the second target could be this strong support level 36,700, which is this area. But let's speak also about the second scenario. If the pair goes upwards, what's going to happen? So in this case, I think the level of 42,200 first of all must be broken by at least a daily close. A daily close above this level might open the door for further upward movement that might reach 42,400 and then 44. So yes, that's it for the Bitcoin. Let's move to Ethereum, ETH, on the daily time frame as well. Okay, I think pretty much the same thing. The pair was trying at 2,600. As you can see here, there is like a very long shadow to the upside. This simply means that there were many buyers, but they did not they were not able to break through this level. So the pair went downwards and closed below this level, and as you can see here, this is a reversal candle that is called a shooting star. The shooting star in this case below this resistance might be a reason to go short. Okay, so I think we might be bearish as long as the pair is trading below 2,700, which is this area. But our target in this case is going to be 2,415. Okay, so this number is very important. So the pair might go downwards to reach this level and maybe we can go long again if it shows up bullish evidence below this level. We already have a bearish reversal candle below the level of 2,700 and 2,600. So this might push the pair downwards to reach the support level 2,415. Okay, keep this in mind. On the other hand, if the level of 2,700 is broken, we need in this case like a daily close above this level, then I think the pair might continue going upwards to reach 2,860. Finally, with the XRP on the daily time frame as well. Okay, so I think we are having here like a double bottom pattern. Okay, how it works, how this pattern works. You would have like a downtrend and then the pair goes upwards. It forms, the first time it forms a trough here, a low, then it goes upwards to form a peak, then it goes again downwards, but it does not exceed the first trough like this. They would be like almost at the same level. Maybe one of them is a little higher, a little lower, it's okay. And then the pair went upwards. Okay, once the peak between the two troughs is broken, then the pattern is activated. I mean, this is the trigger actually. So the pair went upwards after the breakout of this peak, but again it is heading towards the confirmation line or this peak again to maybe to confirm the breakout that it was not a false breakout. So I think we could be bullish as long as the pair is trading above 0.721, okay? We could be bullish, okay? Targets in this case are going to be 0.78 first target, and then maybe 0.80 and maybe 0.90. So this area is measured, I mean the target is simply measured this way, the distance between the peak and the two troughs, maybe the lowest trough, okay, the distance, say the distance is 200 pips or whatever, then add this amount to the breakout point, and this is going to be your target. But usually the market does not reach its final target, so in many cases the market reaches like 80 or 70% of the final target. So in this case my targets are like and the zone where we are not exceeding the 70% of the final target. So I think 0.80 0.90 as well are going to be okay, because the distance here is very long. So by adding this amount to the breakout point, I think we are still in the safe side. So yes, that's it. But keep in mind that a daily close below 0.71 might open the door again for the pair to reach 0.65, 0.60. Keep this in mind. This is really important, and please keep an eye on these levels and try to follow our daily reports. They are really important. I'll keep you updated, and that's it. Thanks for watching the video and have a wonderful week.